Hello traders, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to journal your forex trading. Okay, now keeping a trading journal is one of the most effective ways to improve discipline and trading performance. All right, it helps track decisions, mistakes, and patterns over time. Right, the first step is to choose a journal method. You can actually decide to use maybe a spreadsheet, Excel or Google Sheets, right? Or you can even use a physical notebook or a dedicated trading journal software. Just choose a method that is easy to maintain consistently. All right. The second step is to record important trade details. All right. So for each trade, you should record your instrument traded. Secondly, ensure you record the entry and exit prices. You should also record your trade direction, both the buy and sell trades. All right. Also ensure that you record your trade size. Okay. Also ensure that you record your stop loss and take profits. All right. And importantly, make sure that you record your notes on reasoning for taking the trade. This provides a complete record for review. All right. Now, the third step is to track your emotional states. You should actually include a column for emotions or mindset. All right. That's on your trading journal, whether software or notebook or Google Sheets, right? Or, or spreadsheets. Okay. Ensure that you have a column where you record your confidence level. These things are important. You might be looking at them as, what's the point of all this, and all of that. But then once you start doing it, you will probably see the importance of them, right? Your confidence level, your impulsiveness, and then your stress or overconfidence. So this column is going to be for your emotions or mindset during the trade, right? So once you want to execute a trade, you have to jot down, or rather take note of your instrument that you're trading, the entry and exit prices, the trade direction, whether it's buy or sell, the trade size, that's the lot size, right? And then indicate your stop loss and take profit levels. And then take notes on the reason for taking that trade. Why did you take that trade? Was specific criteria met? Were specific criteria met before you took those trades? All of that. And then make sure you record your confidence level. How confident were you in that setup? Were you impulsive? Check your impulsiveness. Was it an impulsive trade or is it an impulsive trade? And then check how stressed you were at that time or whether you were overconfident. Take note of all those, okay? And then the fourth step is to analyze your results. Periodically review your journal. Identify winning and losing patterns. Check your adherence to your trading plan and also evaluate your risk management efficiency. Okay, this helps refine your strategy and improve discipline over time. Now, a quick recap for you: to journal your forex trading, choose a method, spreadsheet, notebook, or software, right? Record all trade details, including your entry, exit, and reasoning. Track your emotions during the trades, and then review and analyze regularly. Maintaining a trading journal is key to learning from your own trades and improving consistency. If you found any value in this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on your notifications as well so you don't miss out on more valuable content like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.